All right, it's recording now. So the very first example, we're just going to cut out the first part of this. The very first example, the tomato farmer, he's monitoring the number of bees that visit his garden in the spring and the number of tomatoes he harvests in the summer. Okay, so he collected all of this data. All of this data reflect all of these points that are graphed on this line or on this graph. Okay. Part A of this first example is asking us to create the scatter plot. You are not going to have to create a scatter plot on the STAR test. So that's why I went ahead and plotted all of these points for you, okay? So all of these points are reflecting these numbers, yes? Good. All right, part B says, use a straight edge to sketch a trend line. What we're going to be doing with these rulers is we are going to be drawing or graphing our lines of best fit. Now, I went ahead and graphed this first one for us because I wanted us to all have the same exact line. Whenever you graph a line, your line does not look exactly the same as your partner's. So I wanted us to all have one example in common, okay? We will practice graphing or drawing our lines of best fit, okay? When you draw your line of best fit, when you graph it, what you will do is you are going to use this to create an equation that best estimates all of these points, okay? So to write the equation of a line, what do? We use the slope and we use the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept of the line that's graphed here? 10. And what is the, okay, give me a second point that we can use for the slope. It does not have to be one of those dots. Give me a point that we can use that's on the line. 30, 50. It does not have to be one of the dots already on there. It has to be a good point on the line, okay? What is the rise? Oh, that's ugly. 40, because they're counting by tens. What's the run? 30. And 40 over 30 simplifies to give what?
4 over 3.
4 over 3. So the equation of this line is y is equal to 4 over 3x plus 10. Now it says, part D asks, how could this equation be used to make predictions about the farmer's garden for future years? So for example, if I asked you, or if I gave you a question that said, if 50 bees visited the garden, how many tomatoes could I expect? What would you tell me? 50 bees, you would say somewhere around 78. Yeah, any number between 70 to 80, correct? But if I asked you, if 100 bees visited the garden, how many tomatoes could you expect? Would you be able to answer that question? No, because that is a value that is not on the graph. That is the reason that we need this trend line equation, because we need it to plug that 100 in, my 100x value in there, so I can estimate what that number would have been, okay? So, but the good news is that trend lines or the equations can also be found using a graphing calculator. And that's the main part that we're going to learn today, calculator. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do right now. We are going to use these steps on the back side of the calculator page. They're very similar to the steps that we took yesterday with a little bit of difference, okay? So here we go. Stay on the same page as me, because you know what happens when you don't. I lose it. I lose it. All right. First things first. We're going to put our numbers into the calculator. So the first thing that we press is yes, stat, as somebody keeps yelling out before I ask. Okay? The very first option is edit. So it says go to edit, press enter. When you already have numbers here, how do you get rid of them?
Up, clear, enter.
Up, clear, enter. What do you never press?
Delete.
Don't press delete. So at your own pace, go ahead and put all of those numbers in. Use 2 hands, because if you use one, you're probably going too slow.
So bees and tomatoes?
Yes.
6, 7. Miss Bergen forgot how to get there. I got you, brother.
Bro, she just
Lower.
Click this.
Stat,
Click
edit.
this. Click this. Click this.
All right. First example, stay with the class. When I tell you can go at your own pace, you may go at your own pace. But with this example, stay with the class. You already got your numbers in?
No.
Aldo? Why are you just sitting there dilly-dallying? Over there. Deja el chisme.
Miss, what's the third number of bees?
The what?
What's the third number of bees?
100.
No, of bees, not
No, number
tomatoes.
of bees, miss. Number of bees. not
38.
No, miss, the one after that.
29.
Huh?
she knows what she's doing
The
too.
one before 29 and after.
45.
Between 38 and 29.
20.
Right
No,
above.
it's 6, 7.
Don't say that in my video. All right, everybody have your numbers in?
No. Miss, why did he say?
I don't know.
Yeah, we gotta delete the clicker.
I'm not restarting.
I have it, miss.
His
I have
parents
it.
can watch the video and figure out how he acts in class.
Miss, can you catch this?
Are y'all ready?
I'll catch it, Hudson.
Hey, focus, boys. Ready?
Miss, think.
Ready? Okay. So after you put your points in, now where do we go? Go back to stat. This time we move over to calculate. So go to the right. What option do we pick here? Always 4. And then we can't forget to go to the store. What do you do at the store?
You buy food?
Alpha trace. Alpha trace is the most missed step, and it's it's actually a very, 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 boys, important step today.
Worn out. I couldn't find it.
When your box pops up, what do you press?
Oh, I gotta restart.
Mine says A and it doesn't say orange.
So Kyler's gonna bring me his calculator. I want to show you something
No, choose me.
before everybody starts to panic. My calculator looks like this. Oops.
My calculator looks like this.
Mine's different. We got different numbers.
Oh.
Kyler's calculator looks like this. Do
That's what mine
that. Do not panic. These are the numbers that we need. Notice my A and my B with Kyler's is exactly the same. Those are the numbers that we're looking for right now. Don't worry about R. R is correlation coefficient. We're not there yet. So as long as your A and B is the same as mine, you're good. If it's not the same as mine, you messed up your table.
I guess I messed up because mine's way wrong.
Bro, I don't get all those numbers.
X is L1.
Bro,
Yeah, I did that.
Miss, I don't get all those numbers.
I started with this one, man.
Bro, what about R2?
No, she literally just said you don't need that, dude.
Why doesn't mine pop up?
Shut up.
Hey, everyone, be quiet.
Y'all's parents can watch these videos and listen to how y'all act in this class.
Mr. Ryder will be disciplined, but she's not talking.
Guys,
Don't make me send this video to your mom.
Oh.
Me?
Yeah, Mr. Stream 67.
All right. So, look at the way that equation at the top is written. Y is equal to AX plus B. Where have you seen something similar?
FX plus M.
MX plus B. So that means that A is what?
M.
It's the slope. A is the slope. B is the... Put that away. Put it away or it's mine. B is the y-intercept. So with the slope and the y-intercept, with the slope and the y-intercept, we can create our equation.
Miss Lewis,
Yes.
I accidentally just clicked graph.
You're just let it go.
Okay.
So the slope is 1.3. You do not have to worry about rounding. And if I hear somebody ask about rounding, I'm going to lose it. You do not have to worry about rounding. And your y-intercept is 5.4. In algebra, on the STAR test, they don't ever ask you about rounding. So don't worry about it. As long as you can find a number close to it, you're good. So the equation is y is equal to 1.3x plus 5.4. What we're going to do is we're going to compare the equation that the calculator gave us with the equation of the line that we graphed. Okay? It is an estimate, so our numbers won't be exactly the same. When you convert this back to a decimal, since these are decimals, I'm going to convert the 4/3 back to a decimal. You should get 1.3x plus 10. So what is the same about it?
The slope.
The slope is the same, but what's off?
The y-intercept.
The y-intercept is off just a little bit. I mean, by about 4 points, right? Or 4.5. The reason that this part is off is because of human error. My line and the exact line is always going to be a little bit different. This is the same as you drawing your line of best fit versus your partner drawing their line of best fit. You're not going to put you're going to put the ruler in a similar spot, but it won't always be exactly the same. So there's always going to be a little bit of a change in the numbers. Got it? So look at number 1 and 2 here. What we have to do is we have to draw a line of best fit for this graph. Think about the way it's called, or the name of the line. It's a best fit. So what I want to do is I want to draw a line that's in between the most points, or if it connects the most points. But if I were to connect these points, would it be a good fit? No, because you have all of these points that are very, very far away from this line. So the best line of best fit for this set of points is going to be in the middle of them. So you want to put them in the middle of all the points. Your line is not going to be in the same exact spot as somebody else's, but it should be close to one another. Okay? It should be close. Tanner, use your ruler. With lines of best fit, it's very important for you to use a ruler, because if you draw a crooked line, your numbers are going to be way off. And just seeing the way you guys graph lines, you need to use a ruler.
Miss, are you in
Maybe. I'm just being honest, because apparently you guys did not learn how to use a ruler in elementary.
ruler is just, I don't know how to use it.
I don't know what's so hard about using a ruler. All right, does everybody have their line?
Miss Jerry doesn't even know how to draw the line.
Brogan, focus. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to write the equation of our line. We're going to write the equation of our line. What is we need the slope, we need the y-intercept. What's the y-intercept? 200. What is give me another point that we can use for the slope. It does not have to be one of the black points. 15, 125. Find the rise over the run. What's the rise? We're going by 25s. So the rise is?
75.
What's the run? Going by 3s. Negative 15. So 75 over negative 15 simplifies to what? Don't me.
5 over 1.
Figure it out.
Negative 5 over 1.
So
Negative 5.
the equation of our line is negative 5x plus 200. Did Stuart do a good job?
No.
Why not?
Because it's Brogan's last name.
Wow.
You forgot the
I thought you were talking about me.
forgot the
It's.
I wasn't.
Miss, I know.
the negative. Forgot the negative.
Correct.
I
The
know why.
slope should have been negative.
Miss, I know why.
What?
Oh, never
Because
mind.
the slope should have been negative. I got it.
Wow.
No, you said because Brogan's last name is Stewart.
That's not how you spell it. That's like a nerdy way.
Wow.
Is that how you spell it?
No, it's like with T.
Maybe that's the cool way and you're the nerdy way. You ever think about that?
I'm going to give everybody's parents an assignment to watch these videos. Number 2.
My dad would die. He would be dying of laughter. Haha.
How many in-store customers would you predict? Focus. Lock in. how many in-store customers would you predict if there were 18 curbside orders?
Like 20.
So when you come across questions that deal with lines of best fit or trend lines, it's going to always be a multiple choice question. And since we are making estimations, that means that the number that you find as your answer is not going to be exactly one of the answer choices. You're going to have to find a number that's closest to it. So I'm going to give you 4 answer choices. Okay? Those are my 4 answer choices. I couldn't remember what I did in the last class. So, 18 curbside orders. Curbside orders is what kind of value? An X or a Y? X value. So I'm going to go over here to curbside orders, find my number 18, go up to my line, and I notice that that number must be in between what 2 numbers?
100 and 125.
So if my answer must be between 100 and 125,
It's D.
I would pick what answer?
D.
D. These are predictions. These are estimates. So you're not going to find the exact answer. You just have to find the answer choice closest to it. Got it? Get it? Okay. Flip it over. All right. Focus. Find the equation of this line. Go at your own pace. Put your points into stat edit. Go to stat, calculate for, do all that good stuff at your own pace. Don't dilly-dally.
Oh, Miss, my calculator is broke.
Oh shoot. I
Don't play around.
Miss, I actually
How about the wrong number? Oh, it's 6, 7.
Miss, I actually put D.
Are you being serious right now?
No, sorry.
Oh, but I just reset it.
I'm going to send this video to your mom.
No. It kills me.
To my mom, Miss?
This
Yes.
still works. I
My
just
mom would
pressed
probably,
clear. But like I reset it.
Guess the first.
All right.
probably be like, why are you dilly-dallying?
Did y'all get the equation yet?
No.
Yes.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, mine's the
No, you did not get the equation. Thank you, Kevin.
Some of us type fast, Miss, some of us type slow.
And some of us are just sitting there not doing anything.
Bro, can't even talk about bro.
He's putting the points in. He just types slow.
Yeah, Miss, that's good.
Got it?
I did it, Miss. Oh my gosh. Miss, I know what B equals. Where's that? Miss, I typed it wrong.
Oh man.
You get it next time, better.
Ah.
I'm done.
All right.
I gotta put that.
If you are done, are you getting the same numbers as I am?
Yes.
Good. If you don't, raise your hand.
I did.
You said you typed in the whole wrong table, so we're gonna ignore you for this one. Or you know what? Go ahead and keep working. Try to put the right table in. All right, are we good? Are we good, boys? No? Okay. So the slope of this line is what?
5.7.
Slope.
0.2.
And the y-intercept?
5.7.
All right, so the equation of our line is 0.24 x minus 5.78. Okay? Now, part B says, if the temperature is 40 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning an x value, what would the y value be? Now, this time we don't have a graph, so we can predict our values this way. So we must calculate it. Now, you can take that 40 degrees Fahrenheit and plug it in and solve it that way. Or you could use the calculator, which is what I'm going to show you how to do. Just use the calculator. First things first. Everybody's already on this screen? So the first thing you're going to do is, we notice our slope is 0.24911, right? Hit y equals. You're going to see the 0.24911 and the rest of the decimals. This is why alpha trace is so important, because it takes all of those decimal places and it puts it into y equals for you. Okay? If you skip that step, you will not see your equation here. Okay? Or if you skip that step, it won't swap out the equation with whatever problem you're on. So that's how important alpha trace is. Go to the store, hit alpha trace. Do not forget that. Next, to find the 40, we're going to go to the table. So I'm going to press second graph. Notice the word table is right there above graph. So hit second graph. And here's the table. I'm in the 50s, closer to the 60s, but there is a fast way to get to the number 40.
Miss, mine messed up.
Go to y equals.
Oh, no, why?
Does your screen look like mine?
Yes.
So hit second graph. Literally all we've done.
Wait,
Mine's in the 50s. Kyler's is in the thousands because of the assignment, okay? There is a way to get to the X value that you want faster instead of having to sit here going through with the arrows, okay? To do that, you're going to look at your notes here at the very, very bottom. You're going to press second window. Second window. Window is the button that is right next to y equals. Press second window. You should be on this screen with me. Press second window. Window is right next to y equals.
What I put?
I'm not there yet. Is everybody on the same screen as I am?
I'd already pressed second.
Are you there yet? Where you see the word start, you type in your X value. We're looking for the number 40, so type the number 40. You don't have to press enter, you just have to write 40. You just have to write your X value. Now, I'm going to tell you this right now. This only works for X values. This does not work for Y values. Got it? All right, now we go back to the table. So press second graph for second table. And if the temperature is 40 degrees, how many hours? 4.179. There's my answer. .17 hours. Look at part C. Part C says if a snake had been active for 9.5 hours, this is a Y value. I cannot use second window for this, but I am going to go to my table.
Manual labor.
Manual labor, yes.
Go all the way down.
You need to scroll down until you find a number closest to 9.5. So find it.
61.
61, yes, 61.
61.
Not 60.
Not
62.
62.
So that means that whatever age, is it age? Temperature. The temperature has to be in between what?
61 to 62.
Between 61 and 62 degrees.
61 and a half.
So once again, you would look for the answer choice that is between 61 and 62 degrees Fahrenheit. Got it? You don't have to find the exact answer. Part D, find the correlation coefficient. What is the variable that we use for correlation coefficient? Back to yesterday. R equals. R equals. So this next part applies to those people that didn't see the R. Okay? If you did not see the R when you were on this step, if your R didn't pop up, what do you need to do so it can pop up?
Ask you.
Turn on the diagnostics. So go to mode. Press mode. You go up to diagnostics. This is what we learned yesterday. Turn it on. Don't forget to press enter. The black box has to be on. Yes?
Yes.
Second quit. Now, you don't have to put the points back into stat edit. Just go to stat, calculate. number 4, and go through those steps.
Wait, you said second. Oh, second. And now I gotta go all the way back.
Go. Just start from stack calculate. You do not have to put the points in. Stack calculate 4. Now, what is your value of R? What is your correlation code?
0.95.
And 0.95 is a value that is closest to 0 or to 1? 1. Since it's close to 1, it is what kind of correlation? Strong. And it is positive, so strong positive. All right. Tanner, your time to shine. This time, put this table in. Go through the steps. Don't go at your own pace. Yes? You already messed up. I haven't even said. I said start like 1 second ago.
Wait, would H be the X? Never mind. I just need to not be stupid and look at it.
You're just singing a song or do you actually know?
All right. What? The left side is left side, left column. Right side, right column.
How did you type it that fast?
Practice. And I use 2 hands.
Me too.
Got it. I got it.
How do you look at the numbers and get
You're done, Brogan?
Yeah.
No.
Alright. Stat.
It takes Brogan a minute to do things.
Distracted.
I'm there, miss. Look, I type so fast. See, Bogey would.
All right. Those of you, as you are finishing, write your slope and your y-intercept in part C. Write your slope and your y-intercept in part C.
Bro, it's just like deleted everything.
You, Kelvin, he needs to do it himself because he's not going to be able to do it on the day of the test. Our test is Monday.
Miss, it just destroyed everything.
All right, what did you get for the slope?
Negative 0.30.
And the y-intercept?
20.74.
These numbers are closest to what answer choice? B. Once again, trend lines, they are estimates. They're not exact. So you find the answer choice closest to it. Got it? All right. 30-year-old. 30 years old. Is that an X or a Y value? This is an X value. So what's the fastest way to get to the X value of 30?
You gotta do the line.
What trick? Second what?
Second window.
Second window. So I press second window, I type my number 30. Type the number 30, then go to the table. How do you get to the table?
Second graph.
Now it says round to the nearest whole number. So we're going to be looking for a whole number in between what?
11.66.
Whole number in between what 2 numbers?
Miss, my graph isn't graphing. 10 and 12. 10 and 12.
Not 10 to 12. 11 to 12. 11 to 12. We're not looking at a graph. We're looking at the table, which is second graph. B, if a person made 3 online purchases is a Y value, meaning we need to go and find the number 3 right here.
Found it.
How old is that person going to be?
58 to 57. Wow. Or no, 59 to 58.
Dude.
58 to 59 years old. 58 to 59. Because the number 3 is in between 2.9 and 3.2. So the answer choice that you pick is going to be between
57 and 58.
58 and 59.
If only with 6,
The number 3. All right, number 5. I'm going to leave that one as a bell ringer. So,
Oh, so that means do it right now, miss?
no, I'm about to give you the assignment.